How's it going, guys? This is Andy with Andy's Auto Care Plus. I'm going to show you guys how to use a drill brush. This is just off Amazon. I've made one of these videos before, but this is more how I do it now. It's kind of changed a little bit. So I got my electric drill, which is a lot more powerful than using the cordless. And I got my handy dandy vacuum over here. We're gonna drill brush this and I'm gonna show you the process. Okay, so that's just a quick process of it. I'm not fully done with this. I'll probably go over it a couple more times. One thing, if you look close enough, you can actually see that there's some loose fibers that have actually started to come up a little bit. That is one of the downsides of using a drill brush, especially on this style of carpeting. But what you can do is you can take some scissors and go in here and actually trim this. That's going above and beyond if you wanted to do that. Also, hopefully you turn the volume down while I was doing the vacuum, because otherwise that would just make for one really annoying video. So sorry about that. Anyway, I do recommend this, especially if you don't have air or an air compressor to blow stuff out. I would always, invest in one of these. It's 12 bucks versus an air compressor, several $100 setup. Or just go cheap and Harbor Freight it. Anyway, drill brush, fantastic little addition to anybody who's doing detailing.